Hello everyone, you welcome to my Java course for beginners to experts. In today's video lecture, we are going to learn relational operators in Java. So let's start. Relational operator. Relational operators are less than, greater than, less than equal to and greater than equal to. These four are called relational operator. So there are a few points about the relational operators. First is we can apply relational operator for every primitive data type except boolean. Here you can see we can apply relational operator 10 greater than 20. 10 greater than 20, which is false. 10 is always less than 20, so the result of this expression will be false. A less than B, true. True. 10 greater than equal to 10.0, true. A less than 125, true. Because here 125 is A is comparing with 125, where ASCII value of A is comparing to 125. ASCII value of A is, I think, 97. ASCII value of A is 97. So 97 less than 125, which is true. But if you apply relational operators on Boolean type, so it will give compile time error. If you try to compare Boolean type, which is like you can see true less than equal to true, true less than equal to true, and true less than false. So these combinations always give a compile time error. Compile time error. Operator less than equal to cannot be applied to Boolean. Okay, next. We cannot apply relational operator for object types. Okay, so here we are creating two string object, string 1 Syam and string 2 Pawan, and if we apply relational operator on these object, it will give compile time error. Okay, so let's I show you on Eclipse IDE. Okay, so here first we are creating, we have already created our my first Java project in my video where we learn how to install Eclipse IDE, and that time we create a first Java project. So this is our project. So in this we are creating a new class. Just create a new class, right click, new class, test class, test. Okay, test class, and we are checking public static void main. Okay, then fine. So our test class is created. In this class we are checking our relational operator. So here what we are doing, we are taking a three variable 10 comma b equal to 20 comma c equal to 30. Okay, on this apply, on this variables we apply the relational operator. So a less than 20, so b greater than 30. Okay, and we also take a character type, character ch equal to take a. Okay, take a greater than ch, okay, a less than ch. And one more thing what we are doing, we are taking another variable which is ch1 and ch2 equal to b. Okay, fine. ch1, so a less than b. Now run this program. You can see the output. Match this output. First one is a less than b means 10 less than b, 10 less than 20, yes, true. Second one is b greater than 30 means 20 greater than 30, 20 greater than 30, no, 20 greater than 30, false, so result is false. Now a is 10, a is 10 and ch1 which is a, so a means 10 less than a, which is true, because here the ASCII value, sorry, ch1 which have the variable which hold the value of a, and its ASCII value is 97, so 10 less than 97, true, and a less than b, which is true. Okay, now if we apply some boolean type like say so, true less than false, so you can see this is showing a compile time error, that the operator less than is undefined for the argument types boolean and boolean. Okay, now the next thing is we are defining two string objects, string s1 equal to Syam, string s2 equal to Pawan. Now if you apply a relational operator on object type s1 greater than equal to s2, it's so compile time error, so we cannot apply the relational operator on object type. Okay, now let's for okay, now you can see the next thing which is relational operator. Nesting of relational operator are not allowed, nesting of relational operator are not allowed means if you define a three variable like a, b and c, a hold the value 10, b hold 20 and c hold 30, and if you are applying a nesting means a less than b less than c, it will always give a compile time error. Operator less than cannot be applied to boolean. Why this exception is coming? Because see, when this a less than b will evaluate, what is the result? Result will be 10 less than b, true, so it will be true, a less than b, true less than c which is 30. Okay, so this expression is not a valid expression. how you can compare like a true less than 30. That's why it give a compile time error. So I think you understand about the relational operator. So in the programming we use many times relational operator. I hope you understand how to use relational operator and in which situation on and which data type we cannot apply the relational operator. Thank you for watching this video lecture and watch my next video lecture for learning new operator in Java.